Yeah. See how I'm rapping shit though? Harder. Look in the mirror, see it clear, the vision is me. Like my potential, see success, but I'm missing the key. Just get this money, fuck the rap, what you fixing to be. Cause I just need the knowledge, where the college, I'm missing degrees. Abandon, no support, the haters just dishing one leave. I couldn't recognize them at the time, I was just in a dream. I cannot lie, you criticize, have me petrified. I couldn't write, I couldn't rhyme, that's what you specified. But it only means something if you see it through a legend's eyes. You make a nigga wanna jump like Drexler Clyde. Clyde Drexler, good effort, try better. Sweet dreams but nightmares is what you lie next to. Raw hard, we not talking about a women's league. I'm Game 7's MVP, don't ever try to finish me. I spit a verse and sit them down before they get a seat. Flow until they notice north side of it is DNC. Inferno heat up like I'm flowing through the ventilation. Dare you try to cross the border, no it's not immigration. And nothing like a north sider, just an imitation. Gotta conceal my punchlines, they intimidating. Haven't begun to go in, but you can finish hating. Never cocky, I'm just humble, man, I swear. I say your flow's better, nigga, I don't even care. Cause you're never on that real shit, your swagger's over there. In a trash, tied tight in a hefty bag. I rock ice, now your chick, you wanna let me smash. You're sharing stones like the bitch that Joe Pesci smashed. In casino, duck when I'm throwing uppercuts like Debo. Talent moving up, like my ego made bread. I'ma spread it like wings on a seagull. Squeezing a reload like it's mine, so it's nacho cheese and Doritos. And you niggas are irrelevant. Get dirty money, but I'm fresher than the peppermint. My rhymes are sick, but you ain't quick to get no medicine. Believe this shit, I am legit, so who you better than? So call it quit, your rhymes are older than a veteran. Up in that paint, this so go hard or harder yet again. Yeah.